check, no arrest warrant, no Uganda shilling 1 billion fine. The truth about Odonga's court ruling. In recent days, posts circulating on Facebook and WhatsApp have claimed that former Aru County MP Dr. Odonga has been issued an arrest warrant and fined Uganda shilling 1 billion by court. These claims, which are not yet viral, are false and should be disregarded at the onset. Here is a closer look at the ruling, as well as Otto's own public statements, which shows that the judgment was very different from what political gossip on social media suggests. What happened was not a criminal conviction, nor a billion shilling penalty, but rather the dismissal of his application concerning the leadership of the Revolutionary People's Party, RPP. On Friday, August 15, 2025, Justice Simon Peter M. Kinobe of the High Court in Kampala delivered a decision on an application filed by Odonga Otto. Otto had sought judicial review of an electoral commission, EC, a decision that altered leadership changes in the RPP. Otto argued that he had become RPP's national chairperson and president following an April 2023 Memorandum of Understanding, as MOU, with the party's founder, Joshua Kaswabuli. He further claimed that his leadership had been confirmed by a delegates conference in Gulu in October 2023 and asked court to compel the decision to recognize him as party leader. However, the Electoral Commission wrote to Otto in December 2023 halting the changes. The EC pointed out serious irregularities, lack of quorum, exclusion of key executive members, and inconsistencies with the RPP constitution. Justice Kenobe agreed with the EC, ruling that the dispute was an internal party leadership matter, not something to be resolved under judicial review. He stated clearly, the allegation by Honorable Dr. Odonga does not fall within the domain of judicial review. The questions raised require a determination on who is the rightful leadership of the RPP, which goes beyond the scope of judicial review. The judge concluded that the EC had acted within its mandate as relator of political parties. As a result, Otto's application was dismissed with costs awarded to the respondents, namely Kasabuli, Party Secretary General Isaac Gami, and the Electoral Commission. It is important to clarify what cost means in legal language. When a case is dismissed with cost, it simply means the losing party must cover the reasonable legal expenses of the winning side. This does not mean a fixed penalty of 1 billion shillings, as some social media posts falsely claimed. The actual cost will be determined by court registrars and are usually based on lawyers' fees, filing expenses, and other litigation-related charges. In short, number one, there's no criminal charge against it all. Number two, there's no arrest warrant. Number three, which is the last one, there's no billion shilling fine. Dr. Odonga himself responded to the ruling on his X, formerly Twitter account, on August 20th, 2025. In his post, he criticized the judiciary for not notifying him of court dates, describing the process as a waste of time. He added that he would not appeal the decision, stating, "I have moved on running for MP Aru County as an independent." Otto also expressed frustration at the court awarding costs against him, pointing out that he and others had already lost colossal sums of money trying to acquire the RPP. He argued that fairness would have required ordering a refund of their money instead of cost in favor of what he described as a con man. Observers note that the exaggerated stories of arrest warrants and billion-shilling fines appear to be part of political propaganda, likely splayed by rivals seeking to discredit Otto ahead of the 2026 elections. Otto has already declared his intention to run for Aru County MP as an independent candidate, which places him in direct competition with other aspirants who may benefit from denting his reputation. By twisting a routine court ruling into dramatic tales of criminality and billions lost, political opponents are exploiting social media's power to shape public opinion. The claim that Dr. Odonga faces an arrest warrant and a Uganda shilling 1 billion penalty is false. The High Court ruling simply dismissed his application for judicial review regarding the leadership of the RPP and awarded costs to the respondents. Otto himself has confirmed he will not appeal and has shifted focus to his parliamentary race as an independent. Acholi TV therefore advises the public to disregard these exaggerated claims circulating on Facebook and WhatsApp. They are misleading, politically motivated, and not supported by court documents or Otto's own statements or whatsoever evidence. And even the people saying it, they don't have any evidence. Thank you.